Ever wondered if you could actually make a decent living working at Lightspeed? I mean, we all know they're a big name in the point-of-sale world, but does that translate to a healthy paycheck? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unpack everything you need to know about Lightspeed salaries, from entry-level positions to management roles, and everything in between. So, if you're considering a career at Lightspeed, or just curious about the compensation, you've come to the right place. Now, before we jump into specific numbers, it's important to understand a few things. Salary at any company, including Lightspeed, is influenced by a bunch of factors. Think about it: your experience, your skills, the specific role you're applying for, and even your location can play a significant part in determining your pay. A software engineer with 10 years of experience in San Francisco is likely going to command a different salary than a junior sales representative in a smaller city. That's just the reality of the job market. Another thing to keep in mind is that salary isn't the only form of compensation. Many companies, Lightspeed included, often offer a comprehensive benefits package. This could include things like health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, stock options, and even perks like gym memberships or employee discounts. So, when you're evaluating a potential job offer, don't just focus on the base salary. Look at the whole package. Sometimes, a slightly lower base salary with excellent benefits can actually be more valuable in the long run. Okay, so let's talk about the types of roles you might find at Lightspeed. They're a tech company, so naturally, they have a variety of technical positions. We're talking software engineers, data scientists, product managers, IT specialists, and the like. These roles often require specialized skills and experience, and as a result, they tend to be on the higher end of the salary spectrum. But Lightspeed also has a need for people in other departments. They have sales teams, marketing teams, customer support teams, human resources, and finance. These roles are essential to the company's operations, and they offer a range of opportunities for people with different backgrounds and skill sets. Now, I know what you're really here for: the numbers. Unfortunately, I can't give you exact salary figures for every single position at Lightspeed. That kind of information is usually confidential and varies greatly. However, I can give you some general insights based on industry data and publicly available information. Websites like Glassdoor, Indeed, and LinkedIn can be valuable resources for researching salary ranges for specific roles at different companies, including Lightspeed. Keep in mind that these figures are self-reported, so they might not be perfectly accurate, but they can still give you a good idea of what to expect. When researching salaries, pay close attention to the job title and location. A software engineer in Montreal will likely have a different salary range than a software engineer in New York City. Also, look at the years of experience listed in the salary reports. Someone with 5 years of experience will generally earn more than someone just starting out. Another thing to consider is the company's overall compensation philosophy. Some companies prioritize base salary, while others focus more on bonuses or stock options. Lightspeed, being a publicly traded company, might offer stock options as part of their compensation package, especially for certain roles. Stock options can be a significant benefit, as they give you the opportunity to own a piece of the company and profit from its growth. Now, let's talk about career progression. One of the great things about working at a growing company like Lightspeed is the potential for advancement. As you gain experience and develop your skills, you may have opportunities to move into more senior roles with higher salaries. Lightspeed likely has career paths for different positions, allowing you to progress from entry-level to management or even executive level. This career growth potential is an important factor to consider when evaluating a job offer. It's not just about the salary you're getting today, but also the potential for growth and increased earnings in the future. So, does Lightspeed pay well? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. It depends on your skills, experience, the role you're applying for, and your location. However, based on industry data and the company's reputation, it's reasonable to expect competitive salaries and benefits at Lightspeed, especially for technical roles. Remember to do your research, use resources like Glassdoor and LinkedIn, and consider the entire compensation package, including benefits and potential for career growth. Don't be afraid to negotiate your salary. It's a common practice, and most companies expect it. Do your research beforehand, know your worth, and be prepared to justify your salary expectations. Highlight your skills and experience, and explain how you can contribute to the company's success. Beyond salary, consider the company culture and values. A high salary is great, but it's also important to work in an environment where you feel valued and respected. Research Lightspeed's culture and see if it aligns with your own values. A positive work environment can contribute significantly to your overall job satisfaction, even more so than a slightly higher salary. Finally, remember that salary information is constantly changing. The job market is dynamic, and compensation trends can shift quickly. So, it's always a good idea to stay informed about current salary ranges for your desired roles and locations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.